Okay, we're gonna look at the passenger side here. This is the 16-inch blade, and I got my little protector there, right there, in case in the box. But first, we're gonna look at trying to remove this plastic piece here, and then like we did on the other one, but I didn't quite show you on that one, but try to show you on this one here. Gonna have to let that up a little bit, the actual blade, not the blade, but the arm. And then I'm prying this open on one side and just gonna kind of twist it on the other, just open it up basically on both sides. Then I'm sliding this down, pushing it backwards. Again, I don't know why they did, this whole deal. Makes it really hard. So kind of slide that piece off. Takes a little, you can see where it has a little hook in there. Take that piece off. Then you're left with the arm here. And this piece here, you want to, right at the tip, if you have this is some Rain-X brand. Pop that open there. Then you can see where it comes here, and I'm gonna just push it down while I'm holding it, pushing it down like this. See, so that and up and out. Okay, so that's where this comes in, where you don't want this thing to pop down and hit your windshield, crack it. So that's that piece removed. A lot of this is in the little bag again with extras. I would like to transport this over to the other one. I'm just going to look at this for a minute. Don't need to do this, but just in case. It's part of the making it look nice vanity stuff. Yeah, I don't see quite easily how to take that off. So I'm not really going to worry about it. I don't need it. I'm going to get the ones that came with the Pro. It has some little nice holder protectors on it. So I'm being careful with this again. This is the new one. Slide this off. You see the hook here. And we're going to look inside this one. Again, looking for the locks and the unlock on this one. If you can see that, lock and unlock. And we want to go on top of this metal, this little piece inside of there, this one. So I kind of open it up like that. Then go in here. I'm sorry. Move this a little bit backwards so you can see this, hopefully. So kind of going down, sorry, close that down like that. And we want to go like this, and it should snap. When it locks, it'll snap. You'll hear the snap on it. There we go. Well, what's a thump? So I had to pull it a little bit hard. Now I'm basically making sure it's not coming off. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I need to look at the little vanity plastic coverings. This don't fit different brand, but that's it. And I'm going to just lay this down there. So that's, like I said, that's it. But what I've seen on this one and other vehicles, they have different brands, these little clips and vanity things on them that make them look a little bit nicer. And I need to take that protector off of the long blade here. Just slide that off there. And then he is done. So we got our blades on, we're good. again, I'm gonna look at these and add those on too. I might cut you a little short one on this. If you like that though, and you got something out of it, because I saw a couple videos that I couldn't figure out, quite how to get these pieces off. I kind of have to learn and go. But this is a RAV4 2016 model. Should be the same 2016, 17, 18. If you like that for this Master Pro, give me a thumbs up. Give me your 2 cents on it. Okay, bye.